Find the domain of the function f of x equals the square root of x plus 5. Now we're looking at the square root function. We don't want to have the radical here having a negative value inside, because you can't take the square root of a negative number in the real number system. So, what are the values of x that make this whole thing negative? Those are your invalid values for the domain. So what I like to do is I like to say x plus 5 has to be greater than or equal to 0. That means inside the radical is going to be non-negative, which is really correct. And then to figure out the domain, subtract 5 in this case, and you're going to get x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Okay, so that's how you say the domain informally. In setbuilder notation, you say the domain is x is an element of the real number set such that x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Close curly bracket. In interval notation, you would simply say, because notice negative 5 is included, you would have close bracket here, negative 5, comma, infinity, open bracket. And this means that you start at negative 5 and then increasing after that. All those are valid values in the domain. So here's the domain in setbuilder and interval notations.